Welcome to our channel, where we delve into exciting fitness equipment to help you make informed choices for your home gym. Today, we're putting the spotlight on the NordicTrack Fusion CST Pro, a remarkable piece of fitness equipment that can take your workouts to the next level. The NordicTrack Fusion CST Pro is not just another home gym system, it's a complete fitness revolution designed to provide you with a versatile and effective workout experience. Let's dive into the details of this exceptional fitness equipment. Versatility. The Fusion CST Pro is a versatile fitness system that offers a wide range of exercises, from strength training to cardio workouts. It's like having an entire gym in one machine. Interactive touchscreen. It features an interactive HD touchscreen that provides access to a library of on-demand workouts. You can choose from a variety of workout programs led by expert trainers. SMR Silent Magnetic Resistance. This technology ensures your workouts are smooth, quiet, and challenging. You can easily adjust the resistance to match your fitness level and workout goals. ifit enabled. The Fusion CST Pro is ifit enabled, allowing you to connect with personal trainers, access Google Maps workouts, and experience global workouts from the comfort of your home. Space-saving design. Despite its versatility, the Fusion CST Pro has a space-saving design, making it suitable for various room sizes. When not in use, you can fold it up for storage. Interactive training. With ifit Interactive Training, you can experience live, studio, and global workouts. It's like having a personal trainer in your home, motivating you to reach your fitness goals. Built-in fan. Stay cool and comfortable during your workouts with the built-in fan, which provides a refreshing breeze as you exercise. Strength and cardio combination. The Fusion CST Pro seamlessly combines strength and cardio exercises, allowing you to get a full-body workout in one session. Bluetooth audio. Connect your devices via Bluetooth to enjoy your favorite music or podcasts while you work up a sweat. Warranty. NordicTrack offers a warranty to protect your investment, giving you peace of mind as you embark on your fitness journey. In conclusion, the NordicTrack Fusion CST Pro is a game-changer in the world of home fitness equipment. It offers versatility, interactive training, and the convenience of a full gym in your home. If you're looking to take your fitness to new heights, this is a remarkable choice. Thank you for joining us in this overview of the NordicTrack Fusion CST Pro. If you found this information valuable, please consider liking and sharing this video with fellow fitness enthusiasts. Stay fit, stay motivated, and stay tuned for more fitness equipment insights on our channel.